Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Random7 and a lot of you have been complaining about the audio of a lot of my videos. Some comments here maybe, and I've decided to fix these issues, and we have a few things that have come from Amazon, and yeah, let's quickly see what I've ordered, and hopefully these will fix the audio issues on my videos and you get to hear me better. Let's go. Okay, so because I shoot with the GoPro, I need two different things to record better audio, and both of them are here. So let's quickly see what these are. The first thing, let's check what is here. I've already opened the package to see whether it is what I ordered. And these are things that are being delivered in lockdown 4.0 of India. Yeah, so the first thing is the mic adapter for the GoPro. Let's say I don't have any scissors right now, so this should be good enough. There we go. This is the mic adapter. It's a little crushed, the box is. Just says Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. 076 black. It doesn't say 8, but I'm hoping it works for 8. A lot of people have already said that, it works with Hero 8. The MRP is 4300, but I think I got it for about, how much did I get it for? Okay, I can't find it right now, but I'll probably just leave a text somewhere how much I got it for. Let's quickly see what is in the box. How do we open this? Okay, it seems to be easier to open from the bottom. Just hang on, let me get something to open the box. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Let me just cut it from here. I'm not a professional unboxer, so please forgive my ignorance. Nothing else in the box. Adapter. And this is pretty much it, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, this is the original GoPro mic adapter. So this is what was missing in the GoPro, and at least in the Hero 3 it had a different adapter that worked and it was fairly cheap, but this, if I'm not mistaken, is close to 4,000 now in India. 4,000 rupees. Still made in China. I hope there's no coronavirus here. So yeah, this is the mic adapter for the GoPro, and probably the next video that I'll be shooting is with this adapter. There's nothing else in this packaging, or at least it looks like there's nothing else. Yep, there's nothing else. And the second piece of the puzzle, let's keep this here with the knife. So I've opened the box just to see what is inside. Here we go. This is the Boya BY-M1 lapel or lavalier microphone. Hopefully this is a decent enough microphone for the video. It says it's compatible with phone, tablets, laptop, cameras, and camcorders. Scratch coating. Okay, please visit website boyamic.com. Okay, cool. Lavalier microphone. The MRP mentioned here is 1995, but I got it about for 800 odd rupees. Okay, so the only weird thing about this microphone is that it needs a LR44 battery. So it's a powered mic. Anyway, we'll see how that works. Let's quickly open the package. Let's not delay it any further. Again, not a professional unboxer, so please bear with me. Okay, it comes in a nice pouch. That's pretty much the contents of the box. There's a warranty card that's not been filled. Okay. I think these are the instructions. Cool. And it comes in a nice sock at the back. Silica gel. Let's see. And that's pretty much the content of the pouch. Let's open this. Wow, I think I ripped everything. Okay, let's keep this aside. There's a bigger jack. I think this is the battery jack. This is the foam or dead cat or whatever you call it. This is the clip for the microphone, and then the microphone itself. Okay, this is where you put the battery, and you can switch it off or switch it to camera mode, because that's when it uses the battery. And this itself is the microphone, and seems like a very long cable. There's a clip so you can hook it to some place, maybe a belt or something. Okay, that's where you put the battery. Positive, negative, cool. Okay, so that's pretty much what I need to enable perfectly fitting in there. Okay, so I'll do this. I'll quickly switch over to this microphone and test the microphone actually with the camera, but I'll maybe have to switch off the video and just come back in a second. Brute force. Hang on, what was the battery? LR44? Yep, LR44. Okay, which one is the positive? There you go, that is the positive. How do I put it in? I believe that's it. Is there any light that glows? Not that I see. So anyway, there's no indication if it's on or off. Hopefully the battery has a decent enough life. Okay, anyway, so let me quickly switch to the battery and to the microphone and test how the audio is. This side is not that long, but I believe this side is pretty long. The cable itself, if I'm not mistaken, is it not written here? 6 meters. 6 meters is a pretty long distance. So anyway, let me put the foam.
A few moments later.
Okay, and I guess this is where you put in. There we go, it's ready. So this is pretty much it. The lapel microphone, Boya BY-M1, and the GoPro Mic Adapter. So let me quickly switch off the audio of the GoPro and switch on to this audio, and we'll quickly test. Let's go. So I've plugged the microphone here on my jacket, and yeah, that's it. This is the audio from the Boya BY-M1, and this was the unboxing of the microphone as well as the GoPro mic adapter for the GoPro Hero 8. And I hope I'm using the right settings. I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm using an external microphone with the Hero 8, and I don't know what setting I'm supposed to use. There's a ton of options I can see. I hope you can hear me clearly, and hopefully this fixes the audio. Cool then. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope the videos going forward will be much better, and then you can hear me a lot better. So until then, take care of yourself and stay indoors, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Bye bye.